Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you're new here, please subscribe, like and share my video. Please don't go to the next video because this video here is for you. Today we are making a strawberry lemonade, you guys. Strawberry in Swedish is called jordgubbar. So we are making a strawberry lemonade. This is really tasty, guys, and you can use only three main ingredients to make this recipe come to life. So if you have lemon at home, you have strawberries and some condensed milk, then let's just get into the kitchen now and start doing this video. So this is me first of all blending the strawberries. I've washed it with some salt. These strawberries are actually 400 grams, so I add like a half liter of water and blended this very well, you guys. I actually blended this. Guys, after blending the strawberries, this is me boiling the strawberries. We are going to be boiling the strawberries for like 6 to 8 minutes. Why we are doing that, here am I draining out some lemon for this recipe, you guys. Remember, it's lemonade, it's strawberries lemonade, so lemon is an essential recipe for this little juice we are doing. So yeah, so this is me draining it. After 6 to 8 minutes, yeah, is bubbling and it's well cooked, you guys. So I'm going to be taking this out, and when I do that, I will drain everything. I'm going to drain this into a bowl, and then I'll let it cool a bit before we'll start adding other ingredients, okay? We are still going to get the strawberries back into the blender and then add the juice, the lemon juice that we drain. And then this is me adding also some condensed milk for this recipe, you guys, because we need a bit of sweetness, so this will help so much. And I didn't want to use sugar because I think that sugar is a bit too much, so I prefer condensed milk for this recipe than using sugar, you guys. But if you want to use sugar, you can go ahead and do it, but I prefer condensed milk, you guys. So I'm just mixing this with the blender to make sure that everything is well incorporated and well mixed, that I will really enjoy the recipe. So yeah, it's time for us to serve it, and definitely we can not serve this without some ice. Remember, it's summer here in Europe and we need some ice to make it cold and chilly, you guys. So yeah, join me, let's put some ice and then pour the juice and see how it is. The lemonade, you guys, you, instead of spending a lot of money buying this in a store, in a bar or whatever, in the beach, why don't you just do this at home and maybe take some to the beach or whatever, you know, and you will enjoy it. So thank you guys for joining me make this recipe. I must assure you this tastes so heavenly and you will love it if you make it at home. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, like and share my videos, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.